A dedicated wine fridge is great for someone who loves hosting and has guests that drink a lot of chilled wine and champagne. As a wine lover, you may be eager for a dedicated space to store and protect your favorite bottles. We totally get it, and so do many pros. Storing large amounts of wine and champagne bottles can take up a lot of space in the main kitchen refrigerator. But more importantly, the temperature in a kitchen refrigerator is too cold for most wines. There are numerous options for cheap wine cellar, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable wine cellar from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vinotemp EL28 28 bottle cooler refrigerator. Do you consistently stock the same or similar varietals of wine? If so, a single temperature zone wine fridge may be a great choice for you. We really like this option from Vinotemp for its sleek design that features 6-wire shelves with room for up to 28 bottles, for its user-friendly LED control panel on the exterior of the fridge, and for extra conveniences like an interior light, slide-out shelves, and a safety lock that ensures no one accidentally bumps or adjusts the temperature control when they shouldn't. Now, as much as we like this wine fridge, you do want to be sure that the single temperature zone will suit you. In our recent survey of wine fridge owners, this was a touchpoint for many folks. If you opt for this type of product, you are, to put it bluntly, stuck with the single temperature. So, we recommend potential buyers do their homework and ensure that it's the right type for them. Also, this is a freestanding unit with a rear exhaust, so you should not plan to store it under your counter or in a cabinet. But, as long as you have the appropriate space to allocate to this convenient fridge, we think it's a good all-around choice for wine aficionados who lean toward one type of wine. Number 2. Cuisinart CWC 800 CEN 8-bottle private reserve wine cellar. Sometimes you don't necessarily want a gigantic, built-in wine fridge. Whether you live in a small space or simply like the idea of having a more portable and compact option, the Cuisinart CWC 800 CEN is a good choice. It's not too expensive, and it can fit into a variety of spaces. Plus, it's small enough to store on a countertop or set up in a camper or tiny home. Cuisinart wine fridges also came highly recommended among our survey respondents for their cooling abilities as well as their user-friendly designs and maintenance, so we feel confident in recommending this sleek model. Storage is undeniably more constrained than other picks on the market, but you can fit 8 bottles inside of the single-zone unit. It's also quiet and very easy to operate. You'll have no trouble adjusting the temperature anywhere from 39 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. It does, however, lack some convenience features of larger models. There's no reversible door, for example, but overall, it's a worthy pick for the average wine lover with a happy hour-sized collection or a smaller living space. Number 3. NewAir 24-inch built-in 46-bottle dual-zone compressor wine fridge in stainless steel. When it comes to a dual-zone, under-counter wine cooler, there's not much we'd ask for beyond the design and features of the NewAir's built-in 46-bottle dual-zone wine fridge. 2 temperature zones? Check. A roomy capacity of up to 46 bottles? Check. A sophisticated design with elegant wood shelves that can be pulled out for smooth bottle retrieval? Check. Our survey respondents tend to agree, with the brand earning rave reviews for its roomy interiors and consistent temperature controls. It's made to fit under your kitchen counter, but you're not limited to that method of installation if you'd rather position it to be freestanding. Just take care to pick a long-term spot since, at over 100 pounds, it takes some serious effort to move it. Notably, some of our research did lead to reports of noise and occasional wishes for even more space, but overall, we think NewAir has done a great job with the design and functionality of this fridge. It is one of our pricier picks, but if you have your eye on it, you'll definitely want to watch for discounts, as we've seen some significant markdowns in recent months. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 8-bottle wine fridge. Yes, it's possible to have a sophisticated appliance like a wine fridge without spending a lot. The BLACK+DECKER BD60026 is proof. It may not have all of the fancy bells and whistles of top-end models, but it does have everything you need for a small collection that requires single temperature storage. It fits 8 bottles in the single cooling zone, with each one nesting comfortably into one of 3 illuminated sliding racks that make loading and unloading a breeze. While the small size may be a turnoff for some, there are advantages to having a compact freestanding design. Namely, you can install this very cute fridge in small spaces, like on your kitchen countertop or even in your game room. The internal temperature can be set anywhere between 46 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit, which is slightly more suitable for reds, but it works for white, too. And there's a bit of good news: the electronic controls make it easy to set the right temperature. Perhaps the biggest downside is that the fridge manually defrosts, so you'll have to unload your wine when frost builds up, chip away at it, and let the model drain before it can be put to work again. But for the affordable price, we think it's worth the effort. Number 5. Wine Enthusiast 32-bottle dual-zone max compressor wine cooler. We think most wine lovers will love this Wine Enthusiast wine cooler. With room for 32 bottles, the dual zones can allow you to store your favorite whites and reds, each at the perfect temperature, or set them to the same temperature if your collection requires it. The brand also touts the max compressor technology, which you can rely on for longevity, consistency, and quietness that beats out other mechanical cooling systems. There are plenty of convenient features to add to the list of things to love, too, like handy touchscreen controls, interior light to help you spot your favorite bottle, and a display shelf that allows you to single out favorite bottles. We do, however, wish the shelves were adjustable. The aforementioned display shelf does allow for sideways storage, however, which offers flexibility if you have larger bottles in your collection. Another thing to note with this wine fridge is that it's designed to stand alone, meaning you'll need to position it with a few inches of space on all sides for ventilation. This might limit your placement, and also means that it's not a recommended unit for under-counter placement. Still, the dual temperature zones, consistent performance, and the overall enthusiasm of survey respondents who have wine fridges from this brand has made us confident in this pick. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.